All right, this is a little CD pouch and mesh pocket. It goes over your visor, right? And it clamps on these little straps. This is Wisdompro, I don't know. There's a little mesh pocket here. So, and you can hold an ink pen, I guess, in here. This I'm gonna put over the passenger side. My car does have a CD player, it's a 2008 Cadillac STS, but mainly I wanted something to hold the door for the mirror there. My son broke it because he's a wild animal. He is my son, but the apple fell from pretty far from the tree. Like a professional discus player or Olympian discus thrower picked up that apple and just rocket launched it away from the tree. So this will be two-part. It'll hold CDs and then it will hold the mirror thing down. So, and these look like, I mean, they're fabric. I don't think they'll scratch the CDs up. Again, it's a 2008 car. I don't know how many CDs I'm gonna go through, but this will keep CDs in there for me if I wanted to flop it out. All right, here we are in the Cadillac. As I said, this guy, it falls off, right? So that was part of the reason, but then also, you know, it's nice to have a little slot. So, you unpop it from there. So put the strap over, strap on like that, and this strap this away. There we go, and then it snaps back on. And you see up there, it fits nice and neat. You know, if I wanted to, I'm not going to, because it's a bad idea, but if I wanted to, I could put my wallet right here. Boom. And then there, you know, we got Dayton family in here. We got some Easy-E, we got some old M&M. Works, you know, pretty good. So I'm liking it. It's pretty good. All right, thanks.